trees where the shadows frost. I reach for echoes, they slip my hand. A fleeting song I don't understand. Do you hear it, faint and near? A voice that fades like a tear. Whispered shadows, they call my name through the silence. They light the flame, a quiet fire, a gentle scream, dancing softly in my dream, dancing softly in my dream.